Hey, this is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks, and this is the Palm Kola PFD 50. It's a high back PFD. What does that mean? It means it has a high back. So you see this mesh here. This is great when you've got a kayak seat with a nice high lounging back, because if a PFD ends here, you have this lump where the foam ends. It's very, very annoying. So I love that you can get an instantly buoyant PFD 50. Instantly buoyant means it's foam. You don't have to pull any toggles or inflate anything. If you fall in, you'll have instant buoyancy. I love that we have that, but comfort is not compromised. You've got this, not only this mesh back, which also is nice for keeping cool, you've got fully adjustable side straps here on both sides. That keeps the waistband nice and tight so that you're safe when you jump in. And you've got adjustable tops here. So if you have a longer body, you can loosen it. If you've got a shorter body, you can ratchet it down. Now, I love the streamlinedness of the Palm PFDs. What I mean by that is there's no bulk around here or here, so you've got full freedom of movement when you're paddling. This particular model, the Kola's a little different to the Meander because it has so many pockets, like seriously. Oh, we'll start here. We've got 1, 2, and within 2, you've got an elastic pouch, you've got 2, 3 elastic pouches, 4, you've got loops here. It's kind of crazy the amount. Then you got something similar on the other side, but you've got a zipper one there. They all open out really nicely. More elastic pouches, more loops. And then on the front, you've even got a scissors pouch. It's quite spectacular what they've done with this jacket. Now, just be aware that all of these pockets are water resistant, but not waterproof. So if you end up in the water, water will be getting in there. But it's still great if you like to go kayak fishing, or you just like to have your sun cream and all your gear close to hand. Very, very convenient jacket. I highly recommend it. Extremely comfortable. Now, everything Palm makes is very high quality. So you've got zippers that won't corrode or salt up, and you've got very high quality materials, PVC-free foam, all of that. They've done a really good job. So you'll get many, many years out of this. This is the Palm Kola High-Back PFD 50. If you have any questions about the Palm Kola, please get in touch. This is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks.